Hi, I'm Uma Shanker from Chennai. I'm 54 years old and I'm a mother of 3 grown up kids, and one of them is a doctor. I'm a homemaker. About 6 months back, I was diagnosed with psoriatic arthritis, and I went to a rheumatologist and he gave me lots and lots of medicines, and he said I have to be taking them for quite some time. And I was taking them for 2 months. Then my friends and well-wishers, they said these medicines might have side effects, so I started searching for other ways to cure it. I came across Wellcure on Instagram, and they had a workshop for how to cure autoimmune disease naturally, and I signed up for that and I attended the 3-day workshop, and I was impressed, and I thought I should sign up with them, and I signed up with them. And Dr. Prashanti and Asha Shivaram, they guided me almost every day, and they told me some lifestyle changes and food habits and the requirement of sunlight, and I started following that. Initially it was difficult, but slowly I started incorporating them in my life, and they were almost there all the time. Whenever they were available, almost every day. If I had any doubts or any sickness, I could report to them immediately. Then after 2 months, I took blood test and I showed the report to Dr. Prashanti. There was a lot of improvement in my blood work, and a lot of the symptoms are going away. The rashes, the darkening of the skin, and my thyroid level, everything was getting corrected, and I was very happy, and all of these without any medicines. I'm so glad I chose Wellcure, and I am very thankful to Dr. Prashanti and Asha, and I hope to continue this lifestyle and live a healthy life. And it has really improved my mood and my enthusiasm to life. I'm very happy.